So what are we working on today? What are we working on today? Bam! We're working on a pickup. Let's. So yes, another hot, scorching day. I think it's like 80 some degrees right now. Today is supposed to get to 115. Oh my God, it's gonna be hot. That's why we got to get out here and do what we got to do. Anyway, y'all know it always starts with a community coffee. Ooh, oh my God, that is just so good, so good. Let's get another taste. Ooh, anyway, y'all, like I said, we're going to be working on car. We're not literally working on the Mustang, but we're doing something to the Mustang. You can call it work because you got to put a little elbow grease to it, so it is work. So let's get my refrigerator and microwave out the way. Let's get this car uncovered, get y'all a cold crank, and we will get. So we do have the pressure washer out here, so we're going to wash the Mustang, pressure wash it. But we had something that we got last week right here for the pressure washer. And this is a, whoa, I like to drop it. This is a foam cannon. So I don't know nothing about hooking this up. It's supposed to make more foam, be much better. So anyway, let's get this hooked up and we'll see how it works. So there you have it. Now we gotta get the car out first, so we won't run over the line. So I'm gonna give y'all a cold crane and get the car uncovered. And so actually, we're not gonna foam the Mustang because the Mustang is actually clean from last time I drove it. I covered up. I forgot. I thought it wasn't clean. So we're gonna do the pickup. We're gonna foam the pickup because, like I said, this is clean from last time. This is clean because it was covered up. So basically, no need of foaming. So this is dirty, kind of dirty, not too bad. So anyway, we are going to test the foam out on this. That'll be a good thing. Test out on the pickup. So let's get the hose. Morning. And we're going to try this thing out. All right, all right. see that foam can and foam up the whole truck pretty good, but it used a lot of the soap. A lot of the soap. So I think you can turn it the other way to spray it off. So we're gonna try that, turning it. Like I said, I don't know what the mother adapters for, maybe the extra adapters to put on. But anyway, so let's crank this thing back up and turn this lever right here the other way, and maybe that create less soap. So I think you're supposed to leave the soap on there and do it like 2 or 3 times. I kind of took a rag and went back over because like right there I missed. The pressure washer wasn't really getting it clean. So I don't know if you're supposed to leave the soap on there for a while. But anyway, see, like this, I didn't get that. Missed some spots, but anyway, I probably wipe it down with a rag. But anyway, the Canon, I can't really tell if it makes a difference, so I got to get some more soap. It pulls a lot of soap, so we're gonna have to get some more soap to try maybe on this car so we can really tell. It's hard to see on this color, but soap it down twice. So next time when I do this car, I'll do another video. So we did get this thing all cleaned up, shined up. Look at the tires shining. Oh, look at that shine, baby. Look at that shine. Yes. I can't tell y'all what this stuff is right here, but it will make your tires shine like crazy. So, yes, he is cleaned up, looking good, and ain't going nowhere. What the heck, we can't. Anyway, like I said, we got the Mustang that was already cleaned. That's what we're taking today. We're going to a family get-together thing, so this is all cleaned up. And we tested out the foam booster with this one. So, if you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. Whew, man, it's hot. It is hot out here. I got to get inside, cool off, stay hydrated, y'all. Drink plenty of water. And if you get them ice pops that I showed y'all last year on my video, get them. They help. They got electrolytes in and stuff that put stuff back in you. So I'm going to eat about 2 or 3 of them. Drink some water, get inside. With that said, y'all know what it is. Stay life, truck life, and 18-wheel life. We out here. Peace.